Everybody talking about Etsy, but most people have no clue that these digital products are what really making people thousands of dollars every month. So I share simple ways how people could make passive income online with selling real products that really work and digital products that really sell. You might be thinking when you hear Etsy that Etsy only sells handmade craft items, which that's what I thought when I first started, but it doesn't. You can sell digital products that actually work and sell on there, but digital products is actually blowing up on Etsy. And once you upload that file, and when that file get uploaded to Etsy, you could sell it over and over without any extra work. I'm going to share 5 Etsy digital products that you could sell to make passive income. The first one is printable planners and trackers. They are always in demand and easy to make with Canva because Canva is for free. So they're easy to make with Canva and they are always in demand. There are some examples of planners and trackers that you could sell. You could sell fitness logs. You could sell daily planners. You could sell budget trackers for people that's trying to manage their finance. And you could sell endless of other ones that you could think of could turn into a planner. Printables are huge on Etsy because people love digital downloads. They love downloading the file instantly, so they work well on Etsy. Just think about things that could save people time and that is instantly and that would help people out. And if it could solve a problem and it could save people time and they could get it fast, they love it. Now we're going to move on to number 2, the second one. We're going to talk about wall art. Digital print. People love to decorate their homes, and that's where wall art will come in play. Examples of wall art is inspirational quotes, abstract art, and kids' room art. So parents love to decorate their house and they would like to print it out and they could get a frame. Digital wall art is like one of the fastest selling things on Etsy because buyers could print it out, frame it, art out at home, and they could frame it. I personally love pink, so I like things that have pink in it, and I love quotes, like inspirational quotes, to put in my room. So I go on Etsy myself to like download those. That's one way you can make passive income that don't require a lot of work for you to do. You just create the design, upload it, and let it sell itself. Okay, now we're on to number 3. So the third one, another way to make passive income is resume. Job seekers are always looking for resumes. Job seekers look for modern and professional resumes when they looking for a job and they need a resume and they don't have time to create one, or they do not like to create resume, because I don't like to create a resume. They're so tedious and they take a lot of time. So giving them a format already ready so they could just simply edit and just upload to Indeed will definitely help them and save them time. You can start and use Canva and design the template and make sure it's ATS friendly design. Resume templates do really well because everyone wants a standout look without doing it. So resume works really well when it comes to creating templates. On to number 4, which is invitations and party templates. Weddings, birthdays, baby shower, constant demand. Somebody's always getting married, somebody's always having a baby, so that it's a consistent demand for that. You can design it on Canva, and you could design thank you cards, invitation cards. People love to edit the party templates, and they're cheaper than custom designs and still look professional. Number 5 is business templates. Small businesses buy tools to save time. Anything that could save businesses time, they look for it and they want it. Examples are Instagram post templates, price lists, and media kits. Those could save businesses time. Small business owners, even like myself, do not have time to create and design a template to post on social media. So I look for posts all the time. That's good. It's just that sometimes on Etsy, I would say some people design the post just to design it, I guess, to sell it, but it don't give like real value. So these are 5 digital products that you could start selling on Etsy today. So we went through all of them. So we went through printable wall art. We went through resume templates. We went through invitations and business templates. And these are all the products that you actually could start selling. And you could sell it today on Etsy. That could make you passive income. The best part about it is that you make it once and it keeps selling over and over and over again. So let me know in the comments below, which one would you start today? Like, which one would you start? Like, which one would you see would fit your vibe, that you actually enjoy creating? I'm interested to know which one you choose. I would love to see what you're thinking. So drop them in the comments below. Which one is your kind of vibe that you would start like immediately? And if you want me to show you how to actually create them, post it on Etsy, and you want like a step-to-step guide and a step-to-step like way how to do it, like visually, like you like, I need to see this, let me know in the comments below too, because I'm thinking about doing it. But just let me know if that's what you want to see, and that will be coming up. But for further notice, please like, subscribe to this video, and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss any further uploads and any further tips or any other ways that you can make passive income online, because I'm the go-to girl. I'm going to always find ways, and I'm going to come to y'all with legit ways on how to make it. No fluff, no bull crap, no like just giving out anything. Something that I would actually do if I had the time to do it. I'm going to come to you with ways that you actually, that will actually work. So please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any further upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.